Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the words where we can use while speaking about our hobbies or interests. Demak, bugun biz hobbilarimiz va qiziqishlarimiz haqida gapirayotganimizda qanday so'zlardan ishlatishimiz, foydalanishimiz mumkinligi haqida o'rganamiz. Birinchi o'rinda boshqalarning qiziqishlari haqida qanday so'raymiz? What is your hobby? Sizning hobbingiz nima? What are you interested in? Siz nimalarga qiziqasiz? What do you like to do in your free time? Bo'sh vaqtingizda nima qilishni yoqtirasiz? Yoki hobbilarimiz haqida gapirish bobida esa My hobby is reading, dancing, cooking, painting or etc. Ya'ni meni hobbiyim o'qish, raqs tushish, taom pishirish yoki surat chizish deb aytsak bo'ladi. Bu yerda ikki dona gap aytib o'tib ketaman. Ya'ni I am interested in reading. Men o'qishga qiziqaman yoki I like to reading books in my free time. Men bo'sh vaqtlarimda kitob o'qishni yoqtiraman. Yana bir example is what is your hobby? My hobby is reading books in my free time. I like to painting too. Bugungi o'rganmoqchi bo'lganlarimiz shulardan iborat edi. See you later.